moms, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. So today I am unboxing my King of Christmas tree, you guys, and I am so excited about this campaign. It's not a paid sponsorship, it's a product exchange, and so we are just getting ready to start decorating for Christmas and getting this house ready. Okay, so this is what my tree is looking like coming out of the box, you guys, and this tree is such a beauty. Oh my goodness, it is the 8-foot King Noble flock artificial Christmas tree with 600 warm lights, LED lights, by the way. Of course, Kayla Beezy and I have to act a total fool because this is what we do at Christmas time. And so we are so excited. I am super excited about it, and I cannot wait to show you guys what she looks like all fluffed and in her glory. I am not going to be decorating her in this video. That's going to be coming on Friday, so definitely stay tuned for that. My theme this year is, of course, classic and traditional, so this is going to be my red tree because y'all know I always have a red tree, right? So this is going to be my red tree, and I'm just such a crazy person. I think I embarrass Michaela sometimes, but I just love having a good time. I love having fun. But I am going to be flocking the tree in this video and kind of just showing you guys what she looks like, all flocked and ready to be dressed. Y'all, I'm so excited. I'm a little behind. I am a little behind because normally my trees will be decorated by now, but it's okay. We're gonna get it done, and it's gonna be absolutely gorgeous. Look at her. She is stunning. I mean, look at how beautiful her leaves are and just the beautiful warm lights. I mean, I just love it. I love it so much. I know I say this all the time, but it is probably my favorite tree that I've ever owned. And I just want to thank you so much, King of Christmas, for just allowing me to be able to review your products year after year. It's been just my pleasure, honestly, and I love these trees. The qualities are amazing. They are like, they last a lifetime. I mean, I think this is my 3rd year working with King of Christmas, and my trees are still just as brand new as the day that I received them. I had the other flock tree, and I gave that one to my mom last year as a gift because, y'all, I just needed to share them. I needed to share it, and I love the way that this tree looks. I love the stems. I love how sparse it looks. Well, how sparse it is, but at the same time, it is so full and so beautiful. I'm gonna definitely give you guys an up close and personal look at this tree, but now I am just going ahead and flocking it and just, you know, getting her ready because y'all, it is going down. Okay, it is going down. So if you guys are excited for all the Christmas footage, and by the way, I am going to be doing Vlogmas in December. Y'all pray for your girl because, oh my gosh, I am going to be doing Vlogmas. A lot of you guys are wanting Vlogmas, so I am definitely going to be doing Vlogmas and taking you guys along with me and my family as we enjoy this Christmas holiday season. So let's go ahead and get into this video. By the way, this is a spread that my co-workers did for me and 2 other of my co-workers. It was our birthday. Like, I'm the first, one is the 8th, and then I think the other one is the 15th. So they just combined it all together and surprised us with a beautiful spread, and it was delicious, y'all. It was absolutely delicious, just delicious and so much fun. So here she is, you guys. Here she is, all flocked and ready to be dressed. So definitely stay tuned for that video because it will be coming up. fams, happy Wednesday. It's Wednesday in real time. You guys are getting ready to see this video today. It's gonna be late because y'all, everything just been getting in the way. But I am going to just give you guys some little updates as to what has been going on here. So I'm getting ready to decorate. I just got home from work and I'm getting ready to decorate for Christmas. As you guys know, as you've seen in the couple of clips, I'm getting ready to decorate and got my tree from King of Christmas. And I do have my other tree from King of Christmas that we're going to be decorating as well. And my theme, my Christmas theme for this year is going to be sort of like last year, classic Christmas, with a focus emphasis on obviously Jesus. So I have a few items that I brought from New York and my neighbors brought from New York for me. So I'm gonna be able to do that. But I also wanted to show you guys, I did go ahead and got 2 benches, and because we had nowhere to sit around the table. So I got 2 benches from Amazon. I believe I paid, I think it was like $70 or $80 for the pair. And it is just working out so nicely. So I'm gonna turn the camera around so you guys can see it. So here they are. The other one is back there. It's not really set up the way that I wanted to set up because I really want to put this one over here and then have the 2 chairs here with a rug. I put the tree there, but I think I'm gonna move it because it's just no space and it's a little tight. I do love the tree there and I do love the ambiance that it gives, but I think I'm gonna actually move the tree back into my bedroom and put a smaller tree there. But I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of an update on what I got. We just needed somewhere to sit. I was so tired of seeing my kids sitting on the floor eating their meals. So I went ahead and I ordered that. So I want to show you guys a little bit of the Christmas decor that I do have so that we can start putting them on the tree. Oh, sorry, Mikey. So that I can start putting them on the tree. And it's not really much, but it's enough. It's enough for what I need to do. So let's go ahead and unpack it. So that is going to be my wreath, and that wreath I'm going to be putting on my back door. I do have my berry stems, which I am so excited about, you guys, because as you guys know, I always do a red tree. So I'm going to continue that and I'm doing a red tree this year as well. The tree that's in the dining room right now, that's going to be more of a neutral color, but I am gonna have, you know, some oranges and browns and blacks and like just something different. But I definitely wanted to tree because Christmas is not Christmas without red. Like I can't go back. I have to do reds and greens and incorporate all my neutral colors and stuff like that. So this is what all I have so far. And this is the garland that I got from Walmart. Sorry guys, my cousin was calling me. But this is all the things. This is all the things. And then I have like a bag filled with so much. Y'all remember my sconces that I got from the thrift store in New York? And I got all these goodies, you guys. Just a lot of stuff. All my little baubles, and then in this bag is all the garlands and like all the decorative stuff, lights, and my little picks here, and then all the ribbons and everything like that. And then I had gotten these from Walmart a while ago. And then the tree. So this is the tree that I'm going to put in the dining room because it's smaller and it makes more sense. Then over here is all the other stuff that I have for Christmas, like my reindeers and my trees, you know. So we've got quite the things that we're going to be using. So you're not going to see any decoration in this video, but I will be decorating in the next video, which is going to be out on Friday. So stay tuned for that, and you guys will see me decorate the tree. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I know it was a short video, but I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys are ready for some Christmas footage because it's coming. It's coming. So I will see you guys next time. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. I will see you next time. Bye. Oh, by the way, don't forget to visit the link down in the description box if you're interested in purchasing this tree, y'all. It is absolutely stunning, okay? Don't forget, I will have the link to King of Christmas for you guys, and the direct link to this tree if you guys are interested in purchasing one for your Christmas season this year. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean.